Good morning, CFN students. Hope you're all doing well. And I definitely promise that this will be absolutely a worth watching video. And this is a video relevant for upcoming. This is a video containing the details of the upcoming CA final studyverse and revision examination batches, both in online and offline mode. And before I proceed further, I request the students community to kindly share this video with your friends and of course subscribe our YouTube channel as well. And recently we have started a dedicated exclusive English YouTube channel also by name Masterminds for CA and CMA English YouTube channel. Okay, anyhow, let me continue. Availability of the batch. So let me start with the availability of the batch. This batch is available not just at the central office but also at all our branches of AP and Telangana. And in case of Hyderabad, this batch is available at two locations, Dilshuk Nagar and Amirpet. Dilshuk Nagar and Amirpet. And I'm going to cover many important points. I'm going to cover many important points at the end. So please do watch this video till the end. And the batch is going to commence on November 19, 2022, and the first examination will be on December 8, 2022. And our services will be up to April 30, 2023. So this batch is relevant for May 2023 attempt, and our services will be approximately for 5+ months. Will be little more than 5 months. And alternatively, if the students are not willing, if the situations are not permitting you to attend the study hours and revision examination batches physically, that is in offline mode, yes, we have an alternative solution. Students can even take these examinations in online mode, that is called as alternate, that is popularly called as Masterminds Test Series, MMTS. And without any human intervention, the students can directly buy the Masterminds Test Series. I'll just show you the window as well. So this is a Masterminds online classes app that is available both for Android users as well as for iOS users. The listing has been done. The course is readily available for sale right now. The students can buy these courses without any human intervention. What you need to do is you need to download the same from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Let me continue. My dear students, each year, every year, thousands of students of CA and CMA courses will avail the services of Masterminds, which is otherwise called as MMTS, Masterminds Test Series, which is available both in offline and online mode. And I'm not exaggerating. To be very honest, we are the pioneers in offering this test series on pan-India basis, and now we are the national leader in conducting the test series for all levels of CA and CMA courses. And to be very honest, it has now become a sentimental name or a household name for many CA and CMA students to qualify the CA or CMA final. So to be able to qualify their CA final or CMA final, many of the students are either joining for the offline study hours and revision examination batches or online batches. That is how it has now become a that is how it has now become a household name for many CA and CMA students. And my dear students, this time we are offering very few hostel seats, both for boys and girls at central office for CA final. I repeat, this time we are offering CA final hostel. Not just this time, even earlier batch also we have done it. So even we are continuing the same. We are continuing the same, and we are offering boys hostel and girls hostel facility at CA final level for those students who are attending the study hours and revision examination batches in physical mode, otherwise offline mode. And you may have it out. So what are the services that we are going to offer? What are the services that we are going to offer? Let us suppose that you have taken admission for the physical study hours and revision examination batches. Then what are the services that we are going to offer? We give a schedule on day one itself containing the micro schedule, containing the micro schedule, relating to the areas to be covered or areas to be studied by the student on day one, day two, day 4, day 5, day 6, day 7, day 8, like such. So on the first day itself, the student will be given a roadmap, a micro schedule. So covering the day 1 to day 150 days schedule will be given on upfront basis, which is missing with many other institutions offering similar kind of revision exams and study hours. And will conduct the study hours from morning 8 a.m. to night 9 p.m. subject to certain breaks. and we conduct the revision examinations. See, we don't just ask the students to come and sit in the classroom and study on their own. That is absolutely unprofessional. Our services will not be limited to making the students to sit and study on their own. We never do it. We give a schedule, we conduct the study hours, and we even conduct the revision examinations on weekly twice basis in case of both group students and weekly once in case of single group student. And of course, immediately after completion of the examination, we even share the suggested answers. We even provide the suggested answers so that the students can have a self-evaluation. Self-valuation, which is very much required for a great success in professional courses like CA and CMA. And within 2 weeks of the completion of the examination, we do the valuation of the answer sheets, and we even return the valuation answer sheets containing the comments being made by the valuationer. And apart from that, we even issue the performance report and also the valuation report to the student. We even issue the performance report as well as the valuation report to the students. And guidance videos will be played in the classrooms, recorded by the senior faculty or the senior academician by name Prakash sir, who is the head of our academic department, having a rich experience of more than 20 years. And of course, the motivation classes recorded by the director's team will also be played in the classrooms. And apart from the examinations in the descriptive mode, we even conduct the examinations in MCQ mode also. So examinations will not be limited to descriptive mode. We even conduct the examinations on MCQs also. And as a complementary, as a unique feature, as a complementary, we even provide free rapid revision batch videos on for selective subjects. For selective subjects, subject to certain rules and regulations, to all the students whosoever join the physical study hours and revision examinations. And recruit, we even recruit many number of staff members like class in charge, batch in charge, academic in charges, campus in charges, admin principals to monitor the study hours, to ensure that the study hours are being conducted in a properly manner. And of course, if possible, I'm not sure of this, but if possible, we even provide the supporting faculty for counseling of the probable failures. So these many number of services, don't think that we just provide you a classroom and we ask you to sit and study on your own. That is quite unprofessional. See, that is the reason we don't do such things. That is the reason every year thousands of students, either at foundation level or inter level at final level of CA and CMA courses, at least at least 5,000 students will join for studies and revision examination batches either in offline or online mode. And please do note that majority of these services are also available for MMTA students also. That is whosoever, that is the students who are attending the revision examinations in online mode also. And just now I told that as a unique offer, as a unique support, we are even providing free rapid revision batch videos of the senior faculty. Say for example, in case of SFM, rapid revision batch videos of nearly 45 to 50 hours will be shared, will be given through online mode, free of cost. In case of both group students, 3 subjects or rapid revision batch videos will be given. In case of single group students, 2 subjects rapid revision batch videos will be given at free of cost, which is absolutely not available with many other study hours and revision examination providers, service providers. And my dear students, separate schedule will be given for both groups as well as single group students. As I just told you, for both group students, we are going to conduct the revision examinations on weekly twice. And in case of single group students, the examination will be held on weekly once basis. And near about 75 examinations will be conducted for both group students and 42 examinations will be conducted for single group students. I mean to say either group 1 or group 2. And compared to the earlier batches, the fee has been reduced. And in addition to that, in the recent past, we have been asked by the GST department to pay the GST at the rate of 18%, and we are making the payment of GST at the rate of 18% out of our pocket without collecting the same from the students community. As a student of final level, you all know that GST has to be paid by the customer. GST has to be paid by the service taker. So in simple, it is to be paid by you. But as a matter of support, that we are extending to the students community. We are making the payment of GST out of our pocket, which is not 5% or 3%. My dear, it is at the rate of 18% per month. GST bill itself is approximately in the range of 50 to 80 lakhs. The burden that we are taking on our head is approximately 50 lakhs to 80 lakhs per month. And my dear, another unique feature which may not be available with many others service providers of study awards and revision examinations or test series is question paper setting and then valuation. See, we have a stringent policy with respect to the preparation of the question paper as well as the suggestion answers. You'll be surprised to know that there is a rule book. That's a rule book for preparation of question papers and completion of valuation assignments. There's a rule book. So just for the sake of preparation of the question papers, we prepared the list of rules, and that itself it's like a book. That is itself is a book. So we have a stringent process, meticulous process, both for preparation of question papers as well as valuation. And if I'm right, near about 250 valuations are right now available in our team who work on work from home basis for completion of the valuation of these answered sheets. And even in case of MMTS, otherwise called as online revision examinations, yes, we are doing the valuation services. We are sharing the question papers. Sorry, we are sharing the schedule. We are sharing the question papers. We are sharing the selection answers. We are even sharing the valuation report. We are even sharing the performance report, which is absolutely very much unique and may not be available with many other test series which are being provided on pan-India basis. And of course, the standard study hours facility is available at central office, that is Guntur, which is in between 6:30 to 8 a.m. and also from 10 p.m. to 12 p.m. And it is quite optional for the students to attend for these extended study hours. Suppose, say for example, if the student has opted to attend the extended study hours, then the study hours will be conducted from morning 6:30 to night 12 p.m. It is absolutely left to the choice of the students to attend for the extended study hours. And since from July 2022, we have made available the CRS facility, the complete residential facility, both for boys and girls. Sorry, only for girls. Only for girls. Of course, we have a hostel facility for boys also at CA final level. But in case of girls hostel, we have a different facility. We call it as hostel facility, but we have a different facility by name CRS facility, complete residential system, where the study hours and the hostel will be in the same campus. And the fees will vary from batch to batch, branch to branch as on today. That is, I'm making this video on November 18, 2022. As on today, the applicable fees is 23,000 in case of both group students and 21,000 in case of single group students for a duration of more than 5 months. What we are collecting is a peanut. Absolutely, what we are charging is very much nominal. It is less than 5,000 rupees per month, and it is less than 200 rupees per month per day. It is less than 200 rupees per day. Okay. So for old SSP students, I repeat, for old SSP students, we are not going to charge this much. And if I'm right, for old SSP students, they can take the admission for CA final study hours and revision examination batches in physical mode just by making a payment of 3,500 rupees as registration charges. Nothing else. In case of non-SSP students, they need to make a payment of 23,000 and 21,000 respectively. Not both. 23 is for both groups. 21 is for single group. For a tenure of 5 months plus. Nothing but our services will be limited to April 30, 2023. For this amount of 23,000 or 21,000, we are going to offer all our services up to April 30, 2023. I just told you, in case of SSP students, old SSP students of Masterminds, on submission of their SSP document, CFN SSP document, they can avail all these services in physical mode just for a nominal payment of 3,500 rupees, my dear. It's not 3,500 per month. It's a 3,500 rupees for the entire course for a duration of more than 5 months. And of course, the transferability of CA final document is not permitted as per the rules and regulations that were given in the document. And of course, on humanitarian grounds, as a student friendly management, we are relaxing that condition and we are even allowing the transferability of the CF and SSP document. Say, for example, I'm a student. I joined SSP earlier, either SSP1, SSP2, or SSP3. Now I'm not interested to continue my CA. In such a case, I can transfer, I can transfer for a consideration or without any consideration to any of my friends. And the transferee can avail these services. The transferee can avail these services of studies and revision examination batches either in physical mode or in online mode. And my dear students, at the time of issuing the document, that is called the CFL SSP document, we have given the expiry time also, expiry date also. That document is valid for a specific period also, say for 7 years or 8 years, 6 years, etc., etc., etc. That it depends upon, that varies from SSP, that varies for SSP1, SSP2, and SSP3. And as a student friendly management, since from the last several years, we have never insisted or we have never denied admission to any single student on the ground that the SSP document has been expired. In simple to say that, though the given stipulated time got expired, we are accepting the admission of such students, and we are giving the benefit of all the SSP admission benefits. We are offering the benefits of all the SSP admission. We are offering the benefits which are available, which are eligible for SSP students. Let me continue. And in case the student is not interested to attend, in case the student is not interested to attend the MMT studies and revision examinations in physical mode, in offline mode, then in such a case the student can attend such revision examinations in online mode, and that is otherwise called as MMTS. And the MMTS fees for all SSP students on submission of their CA final document is just 10,000 rupees if I'm right. And the transferee, if at all, if you're not interested, you can transfer such document, and the transferee can also take the admission in online mode, otherwise called as MMTS, just by making a payment of 1,000 rupees, if I'm right. So I'm not sure, but probably there's a highest probability that these figures will be correct. See, I'm not sure of it. Okay, so if I'm right. And you may please inquire with our team members at you can reach our team members to inquire the fees details. And you can reach our team members to inquire the fees details at 9881250001 and 9851250003. Most probably, these are the applicable fees, and there could be a possibility. So that's why I'm adding the statement called if I'm right. Okay, let me continue. And the MMTS fees for non-SSP students is 8,000 if I'm right for both group students and 7,000 for single group students. And my dear students, at Guntur, CO and IC batches are available. At central office, CO batch, central office batch, and IC batch, intensive care batches are available for the students who are enrolling for the studies and revision examination batches. And please do note that these two batches are not available for all the students. Even if you are interested to take the admission for CO batch or IC batch, you will not be given unless you comply with certain rules and regulations. So there are certain parameters, and the admission for CO batch or IC batch will be given only on fulfillment of those rules and regulations or conditions or parameters. So for example, so unless the student is having this much of percentage at CA Inter or IPCC level, a student will not be given admission for CO batch or IC batch. There are certain other rules and regulations also, subject to which only the student will be given admission for IC or CO batches. And a screening test will be conducted. It will be oral test. So I will be either me or Prakash sir will be interacting with all such students whosoever interested to take admission with CO batch or IC batch. Only after completion of the interface, only after completion of the one-to-one interview, then only we can confirm whether we can offer admission to CO batch or IC batch to such interested students. I repeat, to such interested students. And separate batch is available for CMA final students also, and such batch will be announced after the declaration of the CMA final results the exams of which are going to be in January 2023. And please do note that, please do share this video with your friends. There's an important announcement. And to my knowledge, based on the conversation that I had with the existing Central Council members, known Central Council members of ICAI, very soon, within few weeks, ICAI is going to launch the new CA final syllabus. See, earlier, whenever there is a change of syllabus, as a transition provision, the students of older syllabus will also be allowed to appear for their examinations in older syllabus for at least 3-4 attempts. This time they are going to take a different decision. The new syllabus is going to commence within few weeks, and the first examination will be in November 2023 in new syllabus, and in November 2023 exams will not be conducted on the old syllabus. In simple to say, May 2023 is the last attempt, is likely to be, I repeat, I want to put emphasis on that word, is likely to be the last attempt for old syllabus students. I mean to say the existing syllabus students, I just shared the helpline numbers. So for details, if at all, if you want to know about the fees details, see whatever the fees details are communicated are most probably the correct numbers. Since I don't readily have the details of the fees, so that's why I added a statement for all the fees details as if I'm right. Okay, please do have a reconciliation with our team members. Call them and get a correct information from our team members, and you can reach them at 9885125001 and 03. And if at all, if you want to reach me, you can reach me at msnmohan2013@gmail.com. Please do note that irrespective of the admission that you are going to take, I repeat, irrespective of the admission that you are going to take, always you can reach me at msnmohan2013@gmail.com. And there's one more service I'd like to show, that additional service also, and there's one more service that is available free of cost, and that is available irrespective of the admission whether you are going to take in masterminds or not. What is that? That is doubts clarification group that is available at CA final, CMA final level, and separate doubts clarification group is also available at CMA inter and CMA final, CA inter level, and separate doubts clarification group is also available at foundation level of CA and CMA. And I'm going to make available the doubts clarification group link in the description. Interested students, please join in that doubts clarification group, and the services are absolutely free of cost. And before I conclude, I'd like to share some other details also. Apart from the coaching, apart from the study hours and revision examination batches, the students, if at all, if they're interested, while attending the study hours and revision examination batches, either in online mode or in offline mode, they can even buy our online courses. They can even take coaching through our online courses. And the following are the details. At CA final level, coaching for all the subjects are available in two modes. One is validity of 1.5 years with 12 months validity. Validity of, with in two modes. One is 1.5 years with 12 months validity, and 1 view and 1 month validity. I'm sharing the details of the coaching that is available with an option of 1 view and 1 month validity. 1 view and 1 month validity. Say for example, auditing. The entire subject of auditing, comprising of 180 to 200 hours of coaching classes, will be available for sale at just 2,500 rupees, which is available for sale at 1 month validity with 1 view as an option. And the details of the other subjects are also as follows. So I just want to remind that the traditional way of coaching, the other way of coaching, where the coaching classes will be given in online mode with 12 months validity with 1.5 use option, is also available at a different fees. Of course, we charge little higher for such option. And coming to the CMA final, similar facilities available for CMA final also. Say for example, I repeat, say for example, the cost and management audit, or say for example, direct taxes for CMA final. The coaching will be given, the coaching will be finished approximately in 240 hours. Same is available for sale at just a nominal fee of 2,500 rupees. And again, The CMA final coaching is also available in two different modes. One is called 9 months validity. 9 months validity with 1.5 views option and 1 month validity with one view option. What are the fees? Whatever the fees that you are finding now are the fees applicable for one view and 1 month validity. One view and 1 month validity. And please to know that in case of CA final, the validity will be for 12 months. And in case of CMA final, the validity will be for 9 months. Okay. And my dear students, before I conclude, I just want to share few of the details of the few of our important achievements. One is the 2022 CA final results, the ranks that have been secured by our students in 2022 CA final results. In 2021 results, these are the following ranks that have been secured by our students at CA final level in 2021 results. And the ranks that have been secured by our students in 2020 CA final results, which includes the All India first rank. And near about 49 All India ranks have been secured by our students in the last 5 years of CA final examinations, which amounts to an average of 10 ranks each year, which is very, very, very substantial. And thanks to all these students, we don't want to claim the credit. In fact, the entire credit goes to these students. In fact, the entire credit goes to these students. We don't want to claim any kind of credit in these kind of achievements. And the following are the single digit ranks that have been secured by our students in the last 3 years. That is in 2018, 19 and 20. So All India first rank, All India fourth rank and All India ninth rank. And coming to CMA final, two of our students have secured All India first rank in the recently declared results, one in 2020 and another one in 2021. 2020, Guru Bhaskar has secured All India first rank in CMA final and Nikhil secured CMA final All India first rank in 2021 and Govardhan has secured All India second rank in 2022 CMA final results. And these are the details of the ranks that have been secured by our students in CMA Inter and CMA final results that have been declared on 27th of September 2022. It's a victory never before in the history of masterminds, and it's just like a one-man show. You'll be surprised to know that. Near about 86 All India ranks have been secured in CMA Inter, which includes All India first, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, etc. And near about 39 All India ranks have been secured in CMA final, which includes All India second, third, etc. etc. And put together, 125 students are secured All India ranks in CMA Inter and CMA final level, including All India first and second. So absolutely, let me repeat that. Absolutely, the entire credit goes to the students community. In no way we want to take the credit of these achievements. And my dear students, of course, the latest images are not readily available with me, so that's the reason I have come forward with the old images. So this is the testimonial of the achievements of the masterminds, not just the ranks, but also the passouts. So near about 941 students are secured. Near about 941 students are qualified, either both groups or single groups, in 2020 January results alone from masterminds. And we have published the details like the student name, hall ticket number, etc. in the masterminds official Facebook page. You can even find it now, which runs into near about 30 pages, 27 plus 3, 30 pages. So list of the students, there are about 941 students have been published, containing the list of the students who qualified alone from masterminds in just one attempt, January 2020 results, either in both groups or single group. It sounds so big. 941 is definitely, absolutely a very big number. Very significant number. Coming to the photo session. See, because of the corona, we haven't conducted any photo sessions in the recent batches. So the latest photo session visuals that are available with me is the May 2019 and November 2019 session. After that, because of the corona rules and regulations and the guidelines and the SOPs, the standard operating procedures, we had discontinued the process of conducting the photo sessions in May 2020 session November 2020 session, as well as May 2021 session, November 2021 session. And so anyhow, let me share the old photo. Let me share the old photo containing the details of the batches that we had alone at Guntur. I repeat, alone at Guntur in May 2029 and November 2019 photo batches, our sessions. And we have near about 41 batches. We have near about 41 batches alone for CF final, which includes the study hours and revision exam batches and of course the regular batches. I mean to say the coaching classes. And because of the lockdown that has been imposed in March 2020, we haven't taken the photo session, or we haven't conducted the photo session for near about 11 such batches. So in total, we have 41 batches and we are able to share the photos of near about 30 such batches. Near about 30 such batches. 30 such batches. And it sounds so great. It sounds so great. 41 batches for CFINL is absolutely a very big number, which may not be possible even at cities like Bangalore, Chennai, Mumbai for many institutions. Okay, my dear students, let me continue. Now it has become a sentiment for many students. Now Guntur has become a sentiment for many students, and Guntur has now become a quota of Rajasthan. A quota of Rajasthan. All you know that. I think all of you know that quota of Rajasthan is very much famous for IIT aspirants. Now Guntur has become very much famous in South India for CA and CMA aspirants. So now Guntur has become a sentiment for qualifying CA or CMA finals. And this is a message that is been, repeat, this is a message that has been shared by one of our students after he qualified his CA final in the recently declared results. That was probably on 21st or 20th of July 2022. One such campus where the CA final, the classes or the study hours and revision examinations will be conducted. And of course, we have several such campuses at Guntur, Central Office Guntur. And we are not just the leaders in offline mode, we are also leaders, we are also the national leaders in online mode also. As you all know that we have been providing our online coaching services and our online revision examination services through Class Plus app, which is a leading edtech company on pan-India basis. To my knowledge, they have been offering similar kind of services to 15 to 20,000 educational institutions on pan-India basis. And our institute by name Masterminds stood in the top three. Stood in the top three. We have been selected as a top three educators across the nation for providing online coaching classes and online revision examinations for the students of CA and CMA courses. And my dear students, let me request you, before you take a decision, before you want to take a decision whether to join in Masterminds or not, whether to join in Masterminds or not, please don't give more importance to our ranks. Rather than our ranks, please give more importance to our dedication, experience, the quality that we deliver. We have started. We have started in year 2020. We have started in year 2002, and we have been offering various services to the students community of CA and CMA courses uninterruptedly since from more than 20 years. You please consider our experience, dedication, quality rather than the ranks that have been secured by our students. And you can find many free content. You can find many free videos, otherwise called as free content, in Mastermind's official YouTube channel. And we have crossed a landmark of 50 lakh views. I'll just show you a simple example. You can see this. Near about 20 free, near about 20 free videos are available uh, with respect to FR, SFM, or uh, yes, SFM, FR, or auditing, or law classes. And all these content are available at free of cost. Not just these 20 videos, there are many such videos. And apart from that, there are many motivational videos were useful for CA and CMA students. And I just told you, our channel have crossed a landmark of 50 lakh views. And recently, we have even started an exclusive channel in English, which is exclusively meant for North Indian students. And only the English content will be uploaded in that Masterminds for CA and CMA English channel. I just want to take another 2 minutes of your valuable time before I conclude. And what are the differences? You may ask a question. You may ask a question, an interesting question. Mohan sir, these study hours and revision examination batches services are available at some of other and at some of the other coaching centers as well. Of course, at some study halls and libraries also. What are the differences between masterminds and the other study halls or other coaching centers which are offering the similar kind of study hours and revision examinations? Yes, it's a valid question. Let me take another 2 minutes, another 2 minutes. Please to watch this video till the end. So in case of the study hours in physical mode at masterminds, and of course, I don't say that all these things will happen at all the study halls and all the other coaching centers. This may happen with some other study halls and with some other coaching centers. So comparison table between masterminds and some other study halls or some other coaching centers. The first one, in case of our study halls, which are run by masterminds, only the CA students will be allowed to come and sit, or else the CMA students, or else CMA students. And in case of Guntur, we have exclusive campuses for CA final as well as for CA inter students also. We don't even allow the students of CA inter to come and sit along with CA final. Absolutely, only the CA and CMA students will be allowed to come and take the services of study hours and revision examination. Whereas in case of some other institutions or some other study halls or libraries, students of all courses like competitive exams, BTech or CA and CMA students will be there. So you can't find a focused study environment. You can't find a focused study environment. And we give a schedule, a macro schedule, whereas the same may not be possible with some other study halls or some other coaching centers. And we even conduct the revision examinations on weekly twice basis, which may not be possible here. And we even share the suggestions, we even share the valuation report, the performance report. The same is not available with the private study halls or some other private coaching centers. And we even provide counseling sessions by the supporting faculty for the probable failures. We even provide free motivation classes by the respected concerned faculty or the academic head of masterminds, that is Mr. Prakash sir. And of course, I even conduct motivation classes to the students, and which may not be available with many other coaching centers or many other study halls. Now, coming to the last example, I just want to share even this example also. In case you're studying in a study hall or in some other private coaching center, so they may not even review your performance. They may not even review your attendance also. Whereas in case of masterminds, say for example, you haven't attended for the study hours on November 18. Let us suppose that you haven't attended for the study hours on November 18. Immediately you'll get a call from our team members. You'll be inquired. You'll be followed. You'll be inquired. You'll be followed. And the last one. So what are the differences between the Masterminds test series, that is online revision examinations, and the test series being offered by many other institutions? Okay. So differences between Masterminds test series and some other test series. See, will be conducting the study hours and revision examinations not just in online mode but also in offline mode. So the expertise knowledge will be different if we conduct the revision examinations and study hours both in online and offline mode, which may not be available with many other test series providers. And we give a schedule. With not just the conducting the examinations, we give a micro schedule, and we even share the question papers at a prescribed time. Say, for example, you'll be having an examination on December 8th. You'll be given the access to the question paper only on December 8th, that too 15 to 30 minutes prior to the commencement of the examination. And after completion of your examinations, immediately you need to scan your answer sheet and you need to send it. And we even do the valuation. We even share the valuation report. We even share the suggested answers, which may not be available with many other test series. And not just in the descriptive mode, we even conduct the revision examinations in objective mode also. And separate and unique schedules are available for both groups and single group students. And we follow a meticulous process for preparation of the question papers and offering valuation services which may not be available with many other test series providers. So these are the main points, and we even share the valuation report. We even share the performance report in case of MMTS, the Masterminds Test Series. So these are the main points. So before I conclude, thanks a lot for showing the highest level of patience, and thanks for watching the video, the entire video. Thanks for watching the video till the end, and happy to serve you. Happy to serve you. If at all, if you want, reach us. You can reach our team members at 9885125001 or 03, or else you can reach me at msnmohan2013 at the rate gmail.com. Have a happy learning. God bless you. Thank you.